Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, we're going to be doing 5 different arm exercises. We're going to continue on with our chair exercise. The last one we did was our abs, and now we're going to do our arms, okay? So before I get started, I want to let you guys know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free, and also hit the notification bell because that's how you're going to get your notifications, right? Okay, thank you so much for your continuous support. With that being said, let's get into our workout. We're looking straight. I have 3 pounds. You guys, if you have canned soups, if you have bottles of water, that will work as well. Your feet should be firmly on the floor. And let's get started. I'm going to demonstrate for you. I have both my weights in my hands, and I have them like this, firmly in front of me. My arms are pressed up against my side, and then I'm going to take it like this. Watch. 1, let's go. 2, slow and steady wins the race. 3, these are low impact, guys. 4, let's go. 5, you should be feeling it. 6, come on, breathe. 7, don't forget to breathe, guys. 8, 9, come on, you can do it. 10, take a rest. Shake it out. Drink some water if you have to. And let's go. Okay? You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. You can do it. 5 more. 6. Yes. 7. Woo! 8. I know. 9. And 1 more. Come on. 10. Yes. Go at your own pace, guys. The next exercise that we're going to be doing is curls. Okay? You ready? Just one hand at a time. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your body's telling you, I know what you're doing, I understand what you're doing, you're starting to feel it, just keep it going, okay? Let's go. 1 more set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. 5, you can do it. 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. All right, so look. 1, 2, 3, come on. 4, don't just watch me, do it too. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 1 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Next exercise I'm going to demonstrate for you. You're going to sit just like this, and then we're going to do these. These are kind of like butterflies, okay? Get your tushy a little bit off the chair. Feet are firmly on the floor, and watch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. You can do it. 5. Come on, baby. 6. Yes. 7. Come on. 8. Woo! Feeling it? 9. 1 more. 10. Yes. Woo. Come on. Shake it out. We got 1 more set to do. Drink some water and shake it out. Put the weights down if you have weights. You don't have to start off with weights with these. We want to do these, okay? Are we ready? 1 more set of 10. Let's go. 1, 2. You can do it. Come on. 3. You ready? 4, 5. 5 more. Simple, easy, and you can do it. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. You ready? Here we go. 10. We're gonna sit back in our chair. We're gonna hold our weights in front of us like this. Feet firmly on the floor. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, baby. 5. Yes. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Woo, you felt that? One more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Okay, so those were our 5 moves. We do 2 sets of 10 each, and I feel great. Let's just stretch. Oh, stretch, 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 stretch. Oh. Over and over. That's it, guys. That's our 5 movements. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for these wonderful chair exercises and for our delicious meals as well. If there's a video that you want for us to make, go ahead and leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to make it for you. All right, guys, so stay with me. You know it. Stay healthy.